Well, hello, folks. This is Wesley Virgin, your master motivator and master virtual trainer here with 7dayfitness.com, and I have a great exercise for you today, and that is working the abs. And it's actually the lower abs. I'm going to show you an exercise that's going to be extremely intense, and you should get it done less than 3 minutes. All my workouts are always less than 7 minutes. Now, I have a challenge for all you folks. If you could finish this workout all the way through without stopping, without the legs hitting the ground, without you huffing and puffing, I want you to send me a like, and I want you to leave a comment right below this video and says, Wes, train me now. I will train you personally for the next 30 days free of charge at 7dayfitness.com. That's all you have to do is leave a comment, hit a like, and say, Wes, train me, and I will do that for you. Okay, folks, here it goes. You're going to lay down here in my home. I hope you guys like it. What you want to do is lay down. You want to put your hands or your palms under your butt, okay? Sitting on your hands. And you want to give yourself 6 inches. Hold just like this. And watch what the first thing we're going to do is flutter kicks. And we're going to go through the whole routine, so follow me, alright? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3. See what we're doing now? We're doing the scissor kicks. We're keeping extreme focus, and we're isolating the lower edge. 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. Don't stop, folks. Keep going. Come on now. 2, 3. All the way through. Don't drop. Keep your legs not too high, not too low. Keep the 6 inches. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Wow, I am burning right now. Folks, you have to go through the entire exercise all the way through. It's a simple home workout. It's a little intense, but you go all the way to 7. And let me demonstrate. Let me do slow motion for you guys. 6 inches. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. All the way to 7. Then open up. 1, 2, 3, 1. All the way to 7. We count down from 7 all the way down to 1. Alright, folks, I just showed you a nice lower ab exercise. I'm telling you, if you do this, you're going to get that bum. And everybody wants the bum. This is an isolated exercise, okay? It just works the lower abs and the lower abs only. Alright, folks, if you can do this exercise all the way through, I challenge any one of you to finish the exercise all the way through without stopping. Send me a like and a comment. Say train with Wes, and I will train you for free for the next 30 days. Hey, get fit with passion.